Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for the weekend, February 6th and 7th, 2016. We're going to have a very active period coming up here. I know we had that system yesterday that grazed the coast here and gave our eastern section some light snow here, but we're going to have several systems, it looks like, that are going to be affecting us for the foreseeable future. When I'm talking foreseeable, I'm talking about at least 2 weeks. We're going to have a system that's going to be in and out every, maybe 3 or 4 days or so. So just get ready for this. Not all these will carry the highest potential. They might be minor or nuisance, but we could be into a very active period. Like I said, that's going to be starting this week coming up here, and they're going to go right through at least the 20th of February. We're probably going beyond that, but we'll stop it there just to see where we're at, and we reevaluate at that point. Here is a look at Saturday morning of high pressure moving off to our southeast. So with that being in control of our weather, we're going to have pretty much partly to mostly sunny skies this weekend, and then we're going to have temperatures are going to be slightly above normal for this time of year. I say slightly because those averages are starting to go back up again, so they're not as cold for normal highs as you would see, say, in early January. Now we're a month later, so this year we're going to see those normal highs go back up a little bit, but we're still going to be above those normal highs for this weekend. And then I think we have a cold front that's going to move through here on Sunday. It's going to be dropping down from the north here, and you're really not even going to notice it. But you're going to have a cold front move through here on Sunday, and you won't even notice the difference until you get to Monday, where temperatures are about 8 to 10 degrees cooler than what they were on Sunday. So instead of being in the mid 40s on Sunday, in some places you'll be back in the mid 30s as we get into Monday. Now we're going to be watching a couple of different things. Now we posted on the Facebook page last night a very explicit explanation of what's going on here. We're going to be watching this system first. This one is projected by most models to head out to sea, which wasn't really expected to come anywhere close to the U.S. coastline. If this stays out in the course like this and stays further east, it doesn't matter. It's going to get pretty strong. Most models have this getting pretty strong offshore, but if it stays further east and fast, it's going to allow a system that's up here to affect our area here and give us an accumulating snowfall in the Monday night through Tuesday night time frame. Okay. This system here, by coming, if it stays stronger and further west, even if it misses, just comes in a little further west like this, then we're going to have the second system will be robbed of energy, and it will be pretty much amount to nothing in that Monday night through Tuesday night time frame. If it does hit, we're probably talking about a 2 to 4, maybe 3 to 6 in some areas, especially if an inverted trough sets over parts of our area here, but not a very big storm regardless that we're looking here for Monday night and Tuesday, but it's going to be depending on what this system does. So we'll bring you watching this closely this weekend to find out exactly what this does, and if it's even further west yet, then we might have another repeat of what we had on Friday or early Friday morning with the snow in our eastern sections, and then you would have nothing from this at all. So there's a couple different scenarios here. I don't want to jump on one exactly right now, but we'll update here on the Facebook page this weekend. Of course, in the Weather Weeklies video I do on Sunday, I'll probably have a better idea at that point as well. But right now, the American GFS has this thing scooting off to the east here pretty quickly. It's going to allow this system to dive down here, and it's going to allow some increase of clouds here on Monday. Maybe some light snow or snow showers developing later in the afternoon or evening, and then continuing into the overnight here. You can see there's generally light stuff here, nothing major. Then again into the day on Tuesday, might have an inverted trough set up over here like the GFS is suggesting here, which will give some additional snow instead of just a 1 to 3 or 2 to 4 type deal without it. And you might get a little bit of enhancement, but you're going to have that system kind of hanging around here, or you get these little couple different lows here running around and pieces of energy running around the base of the trough axis that's starting to swing through here, and you can get some light snow or snow showers we're looking at here in that time frame. And this will end, of course, and move out of our area here, most likely here on Tuesday night, but you might have a few lingering snow showers or flurries here even on Wednesday. Okay, and that's going to move out, and that should be out of the picture. Then we're going to have another system that's going to be a fast-moving clipper system that's going to dive down here. Now, the models are handling this one differently for the the 12th and 13th here. European model is a little bit more impressed with this. The GFS is not. Just shows a clipper system with some lighter snow or snow showers here toward the end of the week. So there's a couple different situations we're looking at. We'll get a bit more and a better idea with this clipper system here and the one after that. The one with bigger potential would be in the 15th, 16th time frame. As we're looking at. So we'll watch that system as well, but that's going out probably a good 10 days now. So we're going to be looking at our primarily on this system here on Tuesday to see what this is going to do in the Monday night through Tuesday night, or Monday night through Tuesday night time frame. And then we'll have a better idea this weekend. Again, we're going to update this weekend on the Facebook page and in Weather Weeklies and the Weather Weeklies video that I do on Sundays. We'll see, hopefully we'll have a better idea of what's going to happen with that system. But again, it's going to be predicated on what this system does here Sunday night, Monday. If it stays offshore and pretty far offshore and exits to the northeast pretty quickly, then we will have a better setup, and this system will have more room to develop for Tuesday, so in that Monday night, Tuesday time frame. If this winds up being stronger and further west, probably not looking at much. Again, so we'll follow this again on the Facebook page this weekend, and Weather Weeklies on Sunday. We'll hopefully have an update for you at that time. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for the weekend, February 6th and 7th, 2016. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.